Hello, welcome back to Elite Recipes. Today we are going to make Uluntham Parupu Chutney. So to make this Uluntham Parupu Chutney, you have to take whole Uluntham Parupu, not broken urud dal. So this Uluntham Parupu Chutney goes well with variety of idlis and dosas. It's a very healthy dish. So you can also try and comment. So now I will show you the ingredients what all needed to make for Uluntham Parupu Chutney. So to make Uluntham Parupu Chutney, I have taken half a cup of urud dal, 1 tablespoon of fennel seeds, little tamarind, asafoetida, salt, cooking oil, broken urud dal, mustard seed, few red chilies, 1 country tomato, few garlic, small onion, curry leaf. So first let us dry roast this urud dal. In a flat kadai, dry roast this ulund in a sim till it turns golden brown. Now add fennel seeds, red chilli, tamarind. Just saute it 2 or 3 times and off the flame. Keep it to get cooled. And then take mixie jar, grind it like a rava. Pour water and grind it like a rava. Don't grind it very pasty. Now on the stove, pour 5 to 6 teaspoons of oil. Add mustard seed, broken urud dal, asafoetida, now add chopped onions. Saute the onions. Then next add chopped garlics. Saute it. Then next add chopped tomatoes and curry leaves. Saute it well. Add salt for this onion and tomato alone. This is the grinded ulund. Grind this ulund like a rava and not very fine. Now add this grinded ulund in the kadai. Pour water to mixie and add that water to kadai. Then again pour 300 ml of water to this kadai. Add salt. Cover it with a lid. Let it get cooked for 5 to 10 minutes. Since already it is roasted ulund, easily it gets cooked. No need to boil it or cook it for more than 10 minutes. This goes well with idli and dosa. This is a very healthy recipe. It tastes very well. Every time we can't make chutneys. So if any guests or somebody else come home, this gives with half a cup of ulund, you can make enough chutney. So now tasty Uluntham Parupu Chutney is ready. Everybody try and comment.